Seeking SUV-level comfort without sacrificing truck utility, the Honda Ridgeline continues to occupy a unique position in the midsize pickup market. Combining crossover-inspired refinement with practical truck capabilities, the 2026 Ridgeline offers a compelling package that distinguishes it from traditional body-on-frame competitors. From its unibody construction to intelligent storage solutions, this versatile pickup delivers everyday usability with surprising capability. Let's examine why the latest Ridgeline deserves serious consideration in an increasingly competitive segment. American-made advantage. The Honda Ridgeline has maintained steady sales figures in the midsize truck market for years, but recent developments have significantly enhanced its competitive position. While the Toyota Tacoma and Ford Ranger depend heavily on production facilities in Mexico, the Ridgeline is manufactured in Lincoln, Alabama, at Honda's American Manufacturing Facility. According to the latest American-Made Index, the Ridgeline consistently ranks among the top vehicles for domestic production, typically placing between 6th and 9th out of 100 evaluated vehicles. This distinction is particularly significant in the current economic climate. The Ridgeline holds the title as the most domestically produced midsize pickup truck in America, with approximately 70% of its components sourced within the United States. Components not manufactured domestically primarily come from Japan and other Asian markets, effectively insulating the Ridgeline from tariffs affecting North American trade. For American consumers, this translates to pricing stability, while competitors may face cost increases. Honda's manufacturing strategy positions the Ridgeline as an increasingly attractive value proposition in the midsize truck segment. Reliability and durability. The Ridgeline's current generation debuted in 2017, making it one of the more established designs in the midsize truck segment. While competitors have undergone complete redesigns, Honda has opted for strategic updates rather than radical changes. This evolutionary approach has yielded a refined, proven platform with excellent reliability ratings. The cabin design prioritizes functionality over trendy aesthetics, featuring physical controls for critical functions rather than relegating everything to touchscreen interfaces. The instrument cluster combines digital displays with traditional gauges, creating an intuitive driver environment. Though the infotainment system has been updated to include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, Honda has maintained a focus on durability and ease of use. The Ridgeline shares its platform with the previous generation Honda Pilot, benefiting from Honda's expertise in crossover engineering. This foundation has been strengthened over multiple model years, with particular attention paid to structural rigidity. Recent J.D. Power studies rank the Ridgeline among the top 3 most reliable midsize trucks, with significantly fewer reported problems than the segment average. V6 performance and SUV-like comfort. The 2026 Ridgeline continues with Honda's refined 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. This power plant is paired with a smooth-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission that delivers responsive acceleration and commendable fuel economy of 21 combined miles per gallon, according to EPA estimates. While not the most powerful in its class, the drivetrain provides ample capability for most driving scenarios, with independent testing showing 0 to 60 miles per hour times of approximately 6.7 seconds. The Ridgeline's unibody construction remains its most distinctive engineering feature. Unlike traditional body-on-frame trucks, this integrated design prioritizes structural rigidity, resulting in superior ride quality and handling dynamics. The independent suspension system at all 4 corners provides exceptional stability and comfort, particularly on paved surfaces where most owners spend the majority of their driving time. With up to 7.6 inches of ground clearance and Honda's intelligent torque vectoring all-wheel drive system, the Ridgeline offers respectable off-road capability for casual trail use. Though it won't match specialized off-road models in extreme conditions, it handles moderate terrain with confidence while delivering vastly superior on-road manners compared to more rugged competitors. Innovative truck bed and storage solutions. In a segment where bed dimensions are critical to utility, the Ridgeline strikes an optimal balance with its 5.3-foot bed. While slightly shorter than some competitors' long bed options, the Ridgeline's bed is wider between the wheel wells than any competitor, accommodating 4-foot wide materials flat on the floor, a capability many rivals cannot match. What truly distinguishes the Ridgeline's cargo solutions is thoughtful innovation. The lockable, weather-sealed in-bed trunk provides 7.3 cubic feet of secure storage beneath the bed floor. This unique feature allows owners to store valuable tools or equipment out of sight while keeping the bed free for larger cargo. Additionally, the dual-action tailgate, which can open both downward and sideways, facilitates easier loading of heavy items. The bed also features 8 tie-down points, rated at 350 pounds each, and available bed lighting for nighttime visibility. For those who regularly transport motorcycles or ATVs, the flat bed floor without wheel well intrusions provides advantages over more conventional truck designs. Recent customer satisfaction surveys indicate that Ridgeline owners particularly value these practical storage innovations over traditional truck specifications. IVTM4 AWD system. A significant advantage the Honda Ridgeline maintains in the midsize truck market is its standard all-wheel drive system across all trim levels. Unlike competitors who offer base models with rear-wheel drive, requiring substantial upgrades for all-wheel traction, every Ridgeline includes Honda's Intelligent Variable Torque Management (IVTM4) system. This sophisticated system can distribute torque between front and rear axles and between the left and right rear wheels as needed. In normal driving conditions, it operates primarily in front-wheel drive for efficiency, but can instantly transfer up to 70% of power to the rear wheels when additional traction is required. The system includes terrain management settings for snow, sand, and mud, optimizing power delivery for various conditions. Independent testing shows the Ridgeline's all-wheel drive system provides excellent all-weather capability for typical driving scenarios. While it doesn't offer the extreme articulation or low-range gearing of dedicated off-road vehicles, it delivers confident performance in adverse weather and moderate off-pavement situations, precisely the conditions most owners regularly encounter. Trim levels and pricing. The 2026 Honda Ridgeline maintains its straightforward trim structure with 4 distinct models. The base Sport starts at approximately $41,500, representing a modest increase from previous years while maintaining competitive positioning. This entry-level model offers cloth seating, 18-inch alloy wheels, and Honda sensing safety technologies, making it a compelling option for value-conscious buyers. The RTL trim, priced around $44,000, represents the best overall value in the lineup. It adds leather-trimmed heated seats, a power moonroof, and acoustic glass for a more refined experience. This mid-level option balances premium features with reasonable pricing, making it the preferred choice for most buyers according to dealer sales data. The Trail Sport variant, positioned around $46,500, focuses on light off-road capability with increased ground clearance, underbody protection, and all-terrain tires. While its off-pavement capabilities don't match specialized off-road trucks, it provides sufficient capability for recreational adventures while maintaining on-road comfort. At the top of the range, the Black Edition commands approximately $48,000, featuring distinctive styling elements, including black exterior trim, red ambient interior lighting, and unique wheel designs. Though primarily an aesthetic package, its exclusivity appeals to buyers seeking a more distinctive appearance. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Ridgeline's unique approach to the midsize truck segment.